Welcome. Today we are exploring some of the greatest innovations, shaping our future and making life better for humanity. These inventions aren't just science fictions. Artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer just a concept in sci-fi movies. From virtual AI assistants in our phones to AI-powered healthcare and smart cities, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we work, communicate and solve problems. Renewable energy technology. The future is green, and renewable energy is at the heart of it. Innovations in solar panels, wind turbines, and hydrogen fuel cells are helping us reduce our dependency on fossil fuels and protect. Space exploration and Mars missions. Humanity's dream to reach the stars is becoming a reality. Mars rovers and upcoming space tourism missions. Soon, humans may live on Mars and mine asteroids for resources. Medical breakthroughs. From gene editing to advanced vaccines, modern medicine is progressing at lightning speed. Technologies like CRISPR allow scientists to edit DNA and potentially cure genetic diseases. The COVID-19 vaccines were developed in record time using mRNA technology. Electric vehicles. The automotive industry is going electric. Electric vehicles are becoming more affordable, powerful, and eco-friendly. By 2030, many countries aim to ban petrol and diesel cars, making EVs the new normal. Smart cities use technology to manage everything from traffic lights to waste management. With IoT devices connected through the internet, cities are becoming safer, cleaner, and more efficient. 3D printing technology. 3D printing is transforming manufacturing, medicine, and even food. Scientists are now able to print human organs, eco-friendly houses, and customized prosthetic limbs. It's cheaper, faster, and reduces waste, a true game changer for industries worldwide. These are just a few of the amazing innovations shaping our world. Which one excited you the most? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. See you in the next one.